Hey, you are welcome to Rabbit Palace and Rabbit Palace Farms, where we discuss rabbits and more. When we say rabbits and more here, we are basically into ducks and goats. We are planning to add sheep and others. So that is why we say more. But on this platform, we try to focus much on rabbits. Maybe some other time we can bring some of the other livestock we are doing so that you can also be educated and motivated to do more in the livestock farming. So today we are looking at medication, but we are not just talking about medicating in general. We are talking about injecting your rabbits the right way. Some of us, we know the medications, but sometimes when it comes to the injection, it is another thing. When you know how to inject, you avoid fees such as veterinary costs and other which are expensive, because our feed now is expensive. So learn how to do the medication yourself as a rabbit farmer, so that you reduce costs, so that you can push those resources into feeding them, so that you can get the best out of what your rabbitry. So we are looking at it as you are seeing in the videos. But at the far right corner of your screen, you see V multinol and then sulfonol. The V multinol is a multivitamin. So it is to correct vitamin deficiencies, subfertile problems. It is also to improve the general conditions of your rabbits, restores their vigor, vitality, and strength. And then the sulfonol is for the control of bacterial infections and then coccidiosis in your rabbits. So these ones we are injecting, they are not sick. Some of you rabbit farmers, you are waiting for the rabbit to be sick before you medicate it. If most of the times, if the rabbit is sick and you are medicating, the chances of it surviving is very less. So what we do is that in Rabbit Palace Farms, we have a 3 months medication plan. Every 3 months we do this routine, and as you are seeing, these ones we are currently doing are our bags, the bags we are using for crossing or breeding purposes in the farm. Those are the ones we are currently medicating. Because our does are currently bred, we have crossed them and then they are pregnant, and you don't inject your pregnant rabbit with sulfonol, or you don't inject it against bacterial infection and coccidiosis. That's an antibac. You don't do that for pregnant rabbits. So as you can see, that is how you are supposed to do it the right way. You pull up the skin around the neck area upward, then you inject below or under the skin. So, and when you are pushing in the medication, you do it slowly, but immediately after that, you quickly remove the needle, so that you don't injure the rabbit. Because when the medication is going on, you see there may be reactions, because it may be painful. So in that way, you pull out the needle as fast as possible, so that the needle don't end up injuring the rabbit. So basically, that is how you do it. Pull up the meat or the skin around the neck area, then you inject below, push in the medication slowly, and remove the needle as fast as possible. Your syringe must be taken out as fast as possible. So these are basically what we do, and that is our routine. So we are not in any way advertising or marketing any product or medication. We are only announcing or telling you the product or the medication we are using in Rabbit Palace Farm, and it is working for us. So if you don't want to wake up and then you see your rabbit, it is not eating, and then it is just there and it is losing weight, and all of a sudden it dies unexpectedly, or you wake up early in the morning, you check the cages and you notice that a rabbit is dead, or 2 or 3 of them are dead, that is coccidiosis. That's one of the common diseases of rabbits. So you inject them against that. You don't wait for the rabbit to be sick. Make sure that you have a routine of medication or injecting your rabbits to prevent that. This is what the medication way. There is also the organic way to go. We blend both the organic and then the medical way of what keeping our rabbits healthy. The ultimate aim is to have healthy rabbits for both breeding and meat purposes. So subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bells to receive messages from us, and do like and then share and comment to keep us going, and do well to let us know your views on the videos we are posting, if they are of help to you, and if there is something you want to know, you can tell us so that we can bring videos on it to educate you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being our partner in this rabbitry. And if there's anything you want to know, you can drop it at the comment section so that we will reply, and then so that together we can grow. Thank you very much once again, and do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. So basically, that is how to medicate what your rabbits. Do well to do that so that you keep them healthy for the purpose of your rabbitry. Thank you very much. Bye bye.